Girl, hi. Are you walking today?
Yes, I need some fresh air.
Same. The park feels peaceful.
Yes, the trees look beautiful.
Do you walk here every day?
Not every day, but often.
I walk here each morning.
Morning walks feel very nice.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Yes, soft music helps me relax.
I like slow music too.
It makes the walk easy.
Look, the birds are singing today.
Yes, the sound is very sweet.
I love birds in the morning.
Their chirping feels like nature's song.
Do you drink water before walking?
Yes, I drink a little water.
Good. It keeps you active.
Yes, hydration is important.
Do you run sometimes too?
Yes, I run on weekends.
Oh, nice. Running is healthy.
Yes, but it makes me tired.
The weather is good today.
Yes, the wind is very cool.
I like cool weather for walking.
Same. Hot weather is difficult.
Okay, I will walk more now.
Sure, I will walk too.
Let's talk again tomorrow.
Yes, see you here again.
Okay, bye for now.